Good morning, my dear students. I am Gurmeet Singh, your English teacher, and I hope you all are very healthy and fine back at your homes. And in today's video, we are going to continue our topic related to narrations, means indirect, direct speech. Okay, as you all know that in the previous videos, we have discussed about the point related to reporting verb, reported speech, pronouns, and what sort of changes we need to do when a reporting verb comes in the shape of past tense. And in today's video I am going to teach you about what sort of changes we need to do when different type of adverbs are used denoting time and place. First we write the name of the topic: direct and indirect speech. And today we are going to talk about adverb. As you all know that adverb is a word that modifies verb, adjective and seconded verb. And in this variation, especially when we are related it to direct indirect speech, we are going to talk about the adverbs. Those are denoting time and place. Okay, first I am going to give you one example that will make you understand that what I am going to teach you. For example, he said, comma, inverted comma, I am doing my work now. So first of all, we need to underline adverb. This is the adverb is used. Okay, this is what we call it. We call it direct speech. If we change it into indirect, what sort of changes we made? Inverted comma changing to that, I change into he, present tense change into was, because our reporting verb is in past tense, doing. My possessive is also changed according to the third person, his work. And now is changed, now because it is adverb, it is changed into then. So this is the change I am talking about. This is now, and in indirect it becomes then. One more example. She said, I will do this work today. And the change, she said that she will change into would, do. This becomes that, because we also change the adjective. Work that day. Today is changed into that day. So these kind of changes we also need to make when we are changing direct into indirect. So now I am going to give you one chart, and according to the chart you should need to change the sentence. For example, here we write direct, here we use indirect. If we have this adverb indirect, we change it into that. If we have their adverb In direct speech, we change in their hair. These changes into those. Thus changes into so. Now changes into then. Ago changes into before. Hence changes into thence. Now I hope you understand this. If we have this in direct, it changes into that, there, here, or here, there, these, those, thus, so, now, then, ago, before, hence, thence. Now some more adverbs. For example, today change into that day. Tomorrow changes into the next day. Yesterday changes into the previous day. Tonight changes into that night. etc. Means we have some more related to this category, but I will give you the main. Okay, my dear students, this is the main category of adverbs we need to change. Okay, one more topic I just want to touch. It is a very short topic because I don't want to make my video too long. Especially it is related to tells or tell and say, says. Okay, but it tell and say. Tell means tell to someone. Say something. It is very important. Tells or tell is used when we are going to tell something to someone, or say means when we are going to express some sort of idea or expression. Say, for example, he tells, I tell, he says, I say. It is a very simple construction of present indefinite tense, because it is a present tense, present indefinite. It is also, as we all know that we always use third person singular verb with s or es. So this is a simple construction. And one more thing I want to add. Said, said to. Okay, bache, as we had the example, he said. Then the said, then we have no need to change this said. We always write this said, that, and then the sentence. Okay, if we have he said to me, now we have subject and object also. then this said to is changed into told. But one very important thing you need to keep in your mind, that we never use preposition to with told. We always write he told me that. We will use this variation in the examples also, but this is the thing I discuss in this video to make you understand that what kind of changes we need to make. I hope you enjoy this video. I don't want to make it too long, so till then, goodbye, have a nice day.